Galaxy A57 unboxing in all colors just leaked, and it looks insane. Here we have the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G in all color options. The source of these videos is TikTok, and as I already told you, the phone is already up for sale in Thailand, which is exactly where these clips are coming from. This is easily one of the best unboxing videos so far, because it gives us a complete look at every single color variant in proper detail. From the footage, we can clearly see the design, finish, and overall build quality of the device. All the colors honestly look very premium and eye-catching, especially with Samsung's clean design language and the new camera layout. The lavender and icy blue variants stand out the most, giving the phone a fresh and modern vibe. Along with the design, the phone also appears to have a sleek and slim profile, making it look very comfortable to hold. The display looks bright with slim bezels and a centered punch hole, which adds to the overall premium feel of the device. Overall, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a strong mid-range smartphone with a stylish design and solid first impression. So now the question is, which color is your favorite? Make sure to watch the full video and let me know your pick in the comments below. That's it for today. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy A57 colors and design? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you in the next video.